Tired of juggling multiple platforms to connect with your customers? In this 90-second tutorial, we'll show you how to seamlessly integrate Wati with WhatsApp, unlocking a powerhouse of efficient communication and engagement. First, log into your Wati account. Navigate to the Channels or WhatsApp tab in your dashboard. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on your Wati version. Click on it. You'll now see an option to connect your WhatsApp business account. Make sure you have a WhatsApp business account set up and verified. If not, please create one. Then click on the Connect button. You'll be prompted to log in to Facebook to verify your WhatsApp business account. Follow the on-screen instructions. This will involve logging into your Facebook Business Manager account associated with your WhatsApp business number. Grant Wati the necessary permissions to access your WhatsApp account. Once the connection is established, you'll see a confirmation message within Wati. Your WhatsApp number is now linked. With Wati connected, you can now leverage its powerful features, such as automated messages, chatbots, and detailed analytics, all within your familiar WhatsApp interface. This integration streamlines your communication, boosts customer engagement, and significantly improves your overall customer service strategy. Enjoy.